Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Just last night I made a video on how to make your entire worksheet yellow. And somebody asked me, can you make a macro to do that? Well, I can't get it. There are probably people that can do it. I can't write the codes. I can only record macros. But let's just try another way because it didn't work that way like we did in part one. I'm going to go to Tools, Scripts, and start recording. I'm just going to type in a Y for yellow. As soon as I do that with nothing selected, I'm going to double click on the rectangle tool, put a rectangle around my page. I'm going to make it yellow. Then I'm going to go to Tools, Scripts, and stop recording. Now this might have a flaw in it because the fact that we might have to put this in the front of the page or the yellow in the back of the page, depending on whether you created this first or second. Well, let's go to Tools or Scripts or Macros, what yours might say, and let's go to that Y and double click on it and look at that. Now, there it is. So you're still going to have to go up to Object. I've tried it the other way and it just doesn't work. But we could make a hotkey for this, and we're going to call it Control Y. And just say assign and then say okay. So let's take all that stuff away. I don't know why it's taking so many takeaways to take that away. But let's just go Control Y. So it does give you a yellow box, but depending on if you already have your clip art, if you bring your clip art in, like if I cut and paste that clip art, there it is. So if you make your yellow dot box first, you don't have any problems with this because you could keep going, paste as many of those you wanted, and then work on them. And then theoretically, you could make a hotkey to get rid of the yellow, if you don't want it. But it'd be simple enough, just hit delete, delete it. Anyway, that's pretty cool. Hope that helped somebody someday, and thank you for watching.